Welcome back to the Sovereign Ratio. Today we're going to take a look at my FOMC game plan as far as what I'm looking for, what levels I'm going to continue to stay long, what levels I'm looking at exiting, and also some helpful tips to navigate the tumultuous time that usually happens generally right before the results are released. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment below. All right, first of all, I want to give a helpful tip here. On Twitter, there is an account that is at tier 10K. The name is DB. He's got a blue check. He is one of the, he or she actually, is one of the fastest people to report out on the rate hikes in really any Fed event. So if you have Twitter pulled up, you can just rest on tier 10K here, hit F5 over and over, and eventually he'll be one of the first people, or he or she will be one of the first people to pop up with the results and what's going on as far as that's concerned. So I would recommend following that person. Going back to yesterday and last week, my plan is fairly simple for today. I'm going to watch for basically a closing basis unless there really starts to be something very, very, very bad happen to the downside. My plan is simply to watch the 9 EMA, which is currently sitting at 27,483. And then that's going to be an alert signal for me if we start to go below that EMA. I need to see a candle on the bottom of that bounces right back up past the 9 EMA, at least on a 4-hour closing basis to kind of look at decision making. FOMC, the interest rate information will come out at 2, so you can watch DB around 2 o'clock to get that information. But for me, that 27.5 level is a very important level. Also, I've gone ahead and drawn a Fibonacci here, and there is some confluence with that level as well here at the 236, which that would just be a nice, very shallow retracement for Bitcoin at 27.4 basically, which is pretty much in alignment with my 27.5. So that 27.5, 27.4 area is a really nice gatekeeper. You can see down here the middle of the Gaussian channel at the next weekly close will probably be right here at the 382 at 25.1. So if we do go down, I would expect there to probably be a bounce here in the 25 to 25.1 area. Hopefully we don't go down. Hopefully we do shoot up to that 37 to 42K target that I was looking at first prior to going back down. Because altcoins, I do hold some altcoins unfortunately right now, and they are taking a beating. We'll take a look at that actually. Total 3 is down 1.1% today, which is pretty much in confluence with Total 2 and Total. However, if we just look at some of my favorite altcoins, you can see they're just continuously bleeding against Bitcoin. What I'm really hoping for is one run up to 37.42 for Bitcoin, and then at least altcoins coming back up to at least the top of their range, which Chainlink, top of that range is here at 950, and then I would be out at that point. I'm not seeing big continuation on the alts at all, unless there was like Bitcoin went to 47 or something, then maybe we could see that run that we've been looking for, you know, like a 1150 Chainlink or a $13 Chainlink, but I'm not sure that I see that happening at this point, but it'll be something to watch and react to. But ultimately, while I am bullish here, based off of what I've seen from previous cycles, ultimately, I'm really not bullish. Ultimately, if we do come up into this range, I'm expecting a very big pullback from here, back down to the top of the Gaussian channel or even the middle of the Gaussian channel after it's all said and done. Some people are calling for new lows. My worst case scenario, I don't know about that. My worst case scenario would be right here at the top of this candle here, because there's going to be major support around the 20 to 21K area, in my opinion. Not necessarily, I mean, I guess it could go down to like 19.6 here at the bottom of this thing, or at the bottom of this wick, but I'm not sure that I see new lows unless there's something really, really big happen. And if we continue to have banks collapse, I don't, that's such a bullish thing for crypto, because people are going to lose more trust in banks and put their money in Bitcoin as a store of value. Well, and they might put it in gold too, but Bitcoin is digital gold. So that's just a quick thing for today. The FOMC is going to be a pretty volatile time. I really don't want to be making a video during that time because I want to be more focused on my trades. So that is what to look for today. If we do get a pop up past the top of the Gaussian channel for whatever reason, that's a very positive sign. What we'd want to see over the next day or two is maybe a pop up to, like, say 32, and then a retest of the top of the Gaussian channel, because that would be in confluence with previous cycles. So thanks for coming by. If you found value in the content, please hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment below, and hit the like button, and we will see you in the next one. Happy trading.